Hello everyone, welcome to Aasaan Services. Today we'll be talking about an important feature in Aasaan ERP Lite. Like in previous videos, we have already talked at how the inventory system is linked with the whole system, like with the sales invoice, purchase invoice, and everything else. So I'll walk you through how to manage your inventory, how to add an item, how to add the stock of that certain item through purchase invoice, then how to sell that item through sell invoice, and then reduce the stock directly from there. Basically, I'll tell you how to perform all these inventory operations. So let's dive in. First of all, we'll go to the left hand menu where you will see inventory. Below it you will see items/services. Here we will just add as item for now. So as the page loads up, you will see a form where you have to fill all the details of the item. Suppose I'll check it, then add a group of that item, then fill all the mandatory fields, then we submit it. So now the item has been saved. Now we'll go back to the list, and if you go to stock balance, I'll just copy the item number. If you go to stock balance and check for the item, you can see there is no current stock, no reserve stock. So let's make a purchase invoice and perform the inventory operation. So we'll go to the sales and purchase, then there we'll see purchase invoice. Once you click on it, this page will load up where you can see all the details of the purchase invoices you have created previously. Now we'll click on the add button to create a new purchase invoice. Here you can see all the information that you need to fill for that certain invoice. We'll create a new user, like you're buying it from device, then we'll give an invoice number, we'll select the date, and then the item was jacket. We're buying like 50 jackets for 500 rupees each, and then we'll just did I fill out the important fields now? Then we'll just click on generate. So now you can see we have generated the purchase invoice. Then from here you will see the perform inventory option here. So once you click on the perform inventory option, as previously there was no stock for the jacket, now 50 stock of that item will be added once you click on the perform inventory. So let's do it. It will ask for, then we just click on yes, and you can see the inventory operation has been completed and it was successful. Now if we go back to the inventory and check for the item balance, stock balance, and I'll search it, and you can see that current stock is 50 since we just added the items. Just added the stock from the purchase invoice. Now if you want to sell it, we'll just go back to the sales and purchase invoice. Say sales invoice, then we'll just click on the add button. Here you will add a new, suppose selling it to Raj. Here you can select a date, fill all the required details, all the manager fields. Then I'm selling the jacket itself, like I'll sell 20 of it, and I'll give the unit price as since we bought it in like 500, we'll sell it in 700. We're selling 20 of them. Then we'll click on generate invoice. As you can see, the invoice has been generated with all the details, like 20 quantity of the jacket. Now we'll perform inventory here. As soon as we do it, from the stock, which is like 50, from there 20 will be minus. So let's click on it and say yes, submit. And you can see the inventory operation has been successfully performed. Now if we go back to the inventory and then go back to the stock balance and look for the item, you can see now we have current stock, we have 30 items. So this is how you can directly perform all the inventory operations from the invoices itself. Also, if you like manually want to do it, you can just go to the stock ledger, or you can click on the add button. It will direct you to the stock ledger page itself. So from here you will click on add, then you select the warehouse, any other details you want to fill, then you will select the item, which was jacket. Then here if you like add like 100 in, then you just submit it. And you can see that for jacket 100 stock has been added. So if you just go to the stock balance section and search for the item, you will see it's now 130. So that's how you can do it manually. Or if you want to do it from the purchase invoice and sales invoice itself, you can do it from there as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if there is any confusion, do leave it in the comments below, and thank you for watching.